402 square kilometers located in Central Visayas, southeastern part of Negros Island. Dating bahagi ng iisang probinsya ang Negros, pero nahati ito noong 1890 sa Negros Occidental at Negros Oriental. Buglasan Festival or tinatawag na Festival of Festivals celebrated every October in Dumaguete, showcasing local culture and tradition. Famous foods here is Budbud Cabog, Silvanas, and Sans Rival, popular lalo na sa Dumaguete. One of the tourist spots here is the Apo Island, a small volcanic island and marine sanctuary, home to 400 corals and 650 plus fish species.
Bohol has a land area of 4,821 square kilometers, making it the 10th largest islands in the Philippines. Dito, sa Bohol naganap ang Blood Compact or Sandugo noong 1565 sa pagitan ni Dato Sikatunan at Miguel Lopez de Legazpi bilang simbolo ng pakikipagkaibigan. The popular fiesta here in Bohol is the Sandugo Festival, celebrated every July in Tagbilaran City. It features street dancing, parade, and cultural shows. Bohol is also known for its delicious delicacy, which is the calamay, a sweet sticky rice street in the coconut shell, and the peanut kisses, a crunchy peanut cookies shaped like chocolate hills. Chocolate Hills is the UNESCO World Heritage and the third country National Geological Monument. Over the minimum of 1,200 hills and possibility up to 1,776.
Cebu, with a land area of 4,944 square kilometers, Cebu is the oldest province in the Philippines, and dito, unang dumating ang Kristyanismo noong 1521. Dito ipinagdiriwang ang Sinulog Festival. It's a cultural and religious festival that celebrates every third Sunday of January in Cebu City. Cebu is also known for its famous and crispy, flavorful lechon. One of the famous tourist spots here is the Magellan's Cross. Ito ay inilagay sa Cebu noong April 21, 1521 ni Ferdinand Magellan bilang simbolo sa pagdating ng Kristyanismo sa Pilipinas. It commemorates the first baptism in the Philippines. The original cross is protected with tindalo wood and now stands in a chapel with a mural, serving at the famous religious and historical landmark in Cebu.
Siquijor covers around 343.5 square kilometers, making it the third smallest province in the Philippines. Siquijor was also known as Isla del Fuego, Islands of the Fire by the Spaniards due to the eerie glow from the fireflies at night. It's famous because of mysticism, healing rituals, and traditional folk and medicine. Healing Festival, held during Holy Week in Mount Bandilaan, where local healers prepare potions or perform traditional healings. Popular dishes include torta or local sponge cake. Dampugahay Falls, one of the Siquijor's top tourist spots with Kultay Third waterfalls and clear tortoise water. Visitors love swinging on the ropes, swimming, and relaxing in its natural pools.